Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy sticky rice or ข้าวเหนียว For today's recipe will be very quick and easy, and we will use the called sweet rice, and even any band it will call the same thing, sweet rice. Look for Thai sweet rice, but some people might know by sticky rice, but actually be careful when you buy, just look for sweet rice. Sticky rice really popular in Thailand because we eat with a lot of this เสือร้องไห้หมูย่าง or barbecue pork. I already have 2 cups the sweet rice and already clean very well. When you clean the sweet rice, try to clean about 3 times. So 2 cups of sweet rice, and next I have 2 cups of the filtered water also. Next I have 1.5 tablespoon vegetable oil. Okay, just pour them in, and I'm gonna mix them well with our sticky rice or sweet rice. And I already say in the beginning, this will be very easy and quick. So I'm gonna put in the bowl and then cover with the lid, and I'm gonna put in the microwave about 5 minutes. Okay, I will put the sticky rice in the microwave and set the timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and now bring 5 minutes. Okay, and take them out. Okay, and then for the first 5 minutes we're gonna open, and we're gonna use the spoon. Be careful, it will be very hot, to mix well together. This will be plain sticky rice, but we use this sticky rice a lot. We eat with a lot of the dish. After you mix them well and put the cover back again, and I will put it back in the microwave another 5 more minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes. Oh, I forget my hand. Hot. Our sticky rice almost done. So I'm gonna put the cover back in, and I'm gonna put back into the microwave. Okay, this another 5 minutes. Okay, let's check. Wow, this is the 3rd time. So now you can see our sticky rice is already cooked. After we put in the microwave 5 minutes for 3 times, total 15 minutes. And after that we need to rest our rice another 10 more minutes. So just keep the cover on. Okay, here 10 minutes. Now our rice is done. Oh, look at it. Wow, still very warm. And here now we done our easy sticky rice recipe. This is just a plain rice, no sugar or no coconut or nothing. It's just for eat with the barbecue beef or barbecue pork. Okay, and now I'm gonna just try this, how soft it is. And we add a little bit of oil, that's why they not stick in your hand, and they will stay soft all day. Even when eat it by itself, it's soft and chewy. If you just need a little bit, just cut the recipe to half, and if you're not finished, just put in the refrigerator, and you can warm whenever you want to eat them. And today I show you how to make the easy sticky rice recipe, because next video I will use this sticky rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.